Imagine a scale isn't just a line of notes, but a palette of raw materials. When we harmonize a scale, we are taking those individual bricks and stacking them to build rooms, and these rooms are our chords. Think of the major scale as a perfectly planned neighborhood. By stacking notes in thirds, like floors in a building, we create a set of 7 unique houses. The big three. Degrees 1, 4, and 5 are our sturdy, bright mansions, the major chords, and they provide the foundation, the home, tonic, the departure, subdominant, and the pull, dominant. And then the quiet alleys, the degrees 2, 3, and 6 are the moody, shaded brownstones, the minor chords. And on top of it all, we have the mystery attic. The 7th degree, diminished, is a strange shifting glass house. A bit hard on the ears, but super useful as a passing chord and for resolutions. This layout is a universal blueprint. Whether you start on C or F sharp, the neighborhood layout of major, minor, and diminished houses stays exactly the same. When we move into the harmonic minor, we install a raised 7th. This acts as a leading tone, a powerful magnet that pulls the ear back to the home chord. That raised 7th creates a sharp, exotic gap, the augmented 2nd. It adds gravity and tension that standard minor scales lack. And the melodic minor smooths out those sharp edges, creating a sleek, jazzier structure that feels sophisticated and directional. The pentatonic scale uses only 5 notes. It's a minimalist apartment where some walls have been removed to create the sense of space. By removing the tension notes, the 4th and the 7th in major, we create a structure that is hard to make sound wrong. And while these scales still contain thirds, their open intervals invite suspended chords. Imagine furniture hanging from the ceiling, seconds and fourths, instead of sitting on the floor. It feels airy, floating, and beautifully unfinished. The octatonic, or the diminished scale, is a playground of symmetry. Because it repeats the same interval pattern, it feels like a hall of mirrors, where you can find almost any chord quality hidden in its corners. The whole half and half whole scales are just different front doors to the same building. These structures are just the defaults. Once you understand how the buildings are framed, you can renovate them. Add 7ths for extra stories, or change the lighting with chromatic alterations. You aren't just a resident in this neighborhood, you are the architect of the city. Thank you for watching, and until next time.